Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Bushnell Voyager telescope. First, let's get it set up. Begin by carefully unpacking all the components from the box and identifying each piece. Next, assemble the tripod, making sure it's stable on a level surface. Then, securely attach the main telescope tube to the tripod mount. Finally, insert the diagonal or eyepiece holder into the focuser, preparing for your first look at the sky. Now, let's align your view for easy object finding. During daylight, align the finder scope with the main telescope. Center a distant, stationary object, like a tree top, in your lowest power eyepiece. Then, adjust the finder scope until that exact same object is centered in its crosshairs. Once aligned, slowly rotate the focuser knob until the image appears perfectly sharp and clear. It's time to explore the night sky. Always begin with your lowest power eyepiece. This provides the widest field of view, making it easier to find objects. Use your aligned finder scope to locate your desired celestial target. Once centered in the finder scope, look through the main eyepiece. You can then gradually increase magnification by switching to higher power eyepieces for a closer look. To ensure your Bushnell Voyager lasts for many years, proper care is essential. Always replace all dust caps when the telescope is not in use to protect the optics. When cleaning, use only specialized lens cleaning supplies and never touch the optical surfaces with your fingers. Store your telescope in a dry, dust-free indoor environment. Also, allow it to acclimate to outdoor temperatures for about 30 minutes before observing for the best views.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.